Hey beauty family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the beauty family. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, how are you? I hope you're doing good. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be unboxing this Boxy charm. So if you wanna see what I got this month of January 2019, then definitely keep on watching. Ding, 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 ding. Alrighty girls, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It is $21, and I know now they have like a BoxyCharm Luxe, which is like a bigger box. I'm not exactly sure how much that one is, but I know it comes with a lot more stuff, so you could definitely check that out. But me, you know, balling on a budget, being wisely with my money, I just stick with the $21 box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it to see what I got this month of January. We're gonna see what is popping. So we have this, it says Boxy and Chill. Each box comes with a little pamphlet, and I'll tell you what it comes with on the back. And I'll give you like a little description of each product and also the pricing. This is what the box looks like. We have this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. I believe you had a chance to get like 3 different Tarte eyeshadow palettes, but I believe everyone ended up getting this one from what I've kind of seen. Like I saw people kind of complaining saying, we all got this one. Honestly, why complain? Is Tarte. Tarte is expensive, so unless you already have it, then you're kind of like screwed. But let's go ahead and see how this one looks. As you can see, pretty colors. They're all shimmery, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna give this away, honestly, because I have a lot of new palettes that I haven't even used. So I'm gonna be having a giveaway soon. I have lots of makeup to give away, you guys. I was supposed to do a giveaway for my 1K subscriber giveaway, which I haven't done. Don't kill me. I know I told you guys, help me reach 1K subscribers and I'll give you guys a giveaway. I have 2 bags full of makeup for a giveaway, but I just haven't had the time. If you guys haven't seen my life update, go check that out and then come for me. Next, I have this $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Pretty color. It comes with the spoolie, so that's cool, you know. That's cute. I have this leave-in conditioning spray, and it's called Reparative. This is pretty cool, actually, because I just dyed my hair not too long ago. I got highlights, and you know, with highlights, you have to bleach your hair, so pretty much my hair is now damaged. So this is pretty good for when I wash my hair. I can probably squirt this in there after just to kind of give it more of a moisturizer, conditioning, and so it can get repaired. Smells like coconut. So that is cool. Next, I see this long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Miami Fever. This one is from Ofra. I really don't like the color, so I'm probably gonna give this away too. There's no reason for me to keep it. And then last but not least, you guys, I have these 2 Luminous Dewy Skin Masks from Tatcha. Which, if you don't know, Tatcha is pretty expensive. I've never actually tried any of their stuff. I want to buy like their setting spray and stuff, pero está muy caro, and it's like not that big of a bottle, so I'd rather stick to this that I got for $7.99 at TJ Maxx, and it has like a lot. This is pretty cool. I really want to try this out to see how it works. But that is pretty much it, you guys, for this month's Boxy. For this month's Boxy charm. Wasn't really impressed, honestly. I think the best thing out of this whole thing is probably the Tarte eyeshadow palette and then this Tatcha masks. These ones alone are, let's see, these are $24 each. For una máscara que puedes agarrar en Big Lots for like $2, but you know, the brand. Yeah, so I mean, you do get your money's worth for BoxyCharm. That's pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you guys like these unboxings, let me know. I'll go ahead and do these monthly for you guys, since you guys do prefer me to see monthly or maybe like every other month, because I'm pretty sure it probably gets boring seeing these, because everyone on YouTube be doing this. I don't know. You guys tell me down below. Every other month, every month, or cancel it out. Ni crean, I need content. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, join the beauty family so we can keep on growing, and turn on your notifications bell. Ding, so you get notified each time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.